The 2026 Audi R8 Electric is expected to feature an aerodynamic design with a more closed front grille and sharp LED matrix headlights, giving it a futuristic look. The design will retain the aggressive lines that are a hallmark of the R8, but with smoother, more modern elements. The body panels will be sleeker, and the overall design will focus on minimalism. At the rear, the R8 Electric 2026 will have connected LED taillights and a larger diffuser to enhance aerodynamics and stability at high speeds. The design will be cleaner, with rear vents optimized for maximum performance. Audi will also offer more exclusive exterior color options. The car will be powered by two electric motors generating over 800 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds. The all-wheel drive system will ensure optimal power distribution, delivering a stable and responsive driving experience, even at high speeds. The R8 Electric 2026 will also feature an adjustable active suspension system, providing better comfort in handling on various road conditions. With a range of over 500 kilometers and fast charging capabilities that reach 80% in just 30 minutes, this model offers practicality for long-distance travel. In addition to performance, the Audi R8 Electric 2026 will come equipped with advanced safety technologies such as semi-autonomous driving and object detection. AI systems will adjust the car's response to the driver's style, while also optimizing energy efficiency. The price of the 2026 Audi R8 Electric is expected to start from 2 to 3 million euros, depending on the variant. With a combination of futuristic design, advanced technology, and incredible performance, the R8 Electric 2026 will be a top choice for electric sports car enthusiasts.